Ever since the first storyteller put ink to paper, writers have battled occasional bouts of writer's block. Why did that happen? Who does it affect? What happens next?
Answer those questions and you have yourself the start of...
Now, this here is a guy repairing the net. I was above the dugout, the pirate dugout. I was right there, and I photographed it. It was a reflex camera. The image would come in the lens, hit the mirror. The mirror had to come up, and the curtain had to slide over. By the time that took place, the play was over for kind of length. So you'd wait just when the guy was approaching second base, and you pulled the lever.
Every story has a setting. It means the location and time period in which your story takes place. Whether it's a sunny beach or a spooky mansion, a bustling city, or even outer space, vivid descriptions of those settings transport readers to another world.
I was a part of the 8th Army U.S. Air Force, yes. Flying B-17s out of Framingham over Germany.
Baton. 3 seconds.
One of our missions, we lost an engine. It was over the target, before we got off of the target. So we were down to 3 engines, and we can't stay in formation. We can't stay up with the other crew. So we have to fall out and fly back by ourselves. They deployed us all the way to Wales when the wheels on the plane hit the turf on that Naval Air Base station. The 4th engine stopped.